You know what? We all get in a rut sometimes. Have you ever noticed that? Like sometimes you're like going along and things are going such a way and it works really well, and then after a while you're kind of like, oh, it's kind of in a rut. Oh, it kind of feels like it's no fun anymore. Like I'm dreading it. Like, have you ever felt that way? Well, it can totally feel that way sometimes around spending quality family time, because we're so busy as it is that family time and making consistent, organized, like being together time can seem like another chore unto itself. And we can start to dread it, like it's another thing we have to do, where it's not supposed to be that way. We know it can be fun. We know we can have some good times. We know it can be exciting, but life gets in the way sometimes. So that's why I've created something for you. That's what I wanted to share with you in this. So there's some key pieces about this. One part about shifting the way that we see creating family time, like shifting it, like getting in there and like moving it around, is moving it from like it's all on me to we get to do it together. We go from it's all on me to we get to do it together. It's around creating partnership and creating a team, your family together as a team, to brainstorm and plan and what are we going to do and wouldn't that be fun and let's get used to that and let's go try some stuff out. Totally great thing. So that's the one piece about how you can shift, move things around, shift your family time and quality time from dreading it and like a burden and it's more the same and I don't know what we're going to do. So that's the first thing, is like creating team. The second part is, what are you going to do? What's it going to look like? How much time is it going to take? Is it indoors or outdoors? Are you going to be at home? Or are you going to be out in the city? What are you going to do? All that being said, I've created something just for you because this is something a lot of guys struggle with. And if you go down in the comments down below, there's a link that you go to where I've done an entire post about this video that explains all the pieces. Then it's got a blog that you can read and a downloadable action form. Look out, action figures. It's like action figures. So don't watch me anymore. Go down below, click on the link, download the thing. Magic will happen. Your family will be together. They will love each other. They will be kissing and hugging and togetherness. We'll call it that. Anyways, this has been Charlie with Heroic Fatherhood. See you on the inside.